Hi friends, I hope you're having a good week so far. I am here to give you a quick overview of what you are going to be doing today. And yeah, that's all I have. I want to say thank you for your questions about the DBQ. I hope the video I made was helpful for you. I know it was long. I know I covered kind of a lot of stuff, but hopefully it helped to give you a better idea of what you're gonna do in 4 weeks. So that being said, today is going to be the first time where we are really truly jumping into our DBQ and what it actually is going to look and feel like. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I have for you today is a recommendation. It is not required. However, I think it is very, very helpful. I watched it. I thought it was helpful. I could see how it's going to be highly beneficial for you. So I highly suggest you watch this video. It is Heimler looking at 3 different essays. It's for the same prompt that he looked at last week, the 2018 DBQ prompt. And he has an essay that would get a 10 out of 10, a 5 out of 10, and a 2 out of 10, okay? He's linked the essays here also. You can go down here, click show more, and he has linked the essays here. So you can go through them with him, go through them on your own, and you can see the differences between what a 10-point essay will look like, a 5-point essay, and a 2-point essay. I highly recommend you watching this video, okay? That's the first thing I've got for you today. The second thing that you are going to be doing that is not optional is you are going to be doing what I'm calling a DBQ practice warm-up. So we're not doing, well, you're going to have some options, but this is potentially just a warm-up DBQ practice. So if you go to Canvas, this document will be waiting there for you. It says Week 14 Distance Learning Practice DBQ number 1 Instructions, okay? So for this DBQ practice, you have 2 options. Option 1, you may write the full DBQ from start to finish. Let's make this bigger. If you choose this option, I would suggest you create an experience that's going to be as close to the exam as possible. This means timing yourself 45 minutes. Actually, why doesn't it say that right here? 45 minutes, writing the essay on your own, aka not working with anyone on this, not having a shared Google Doc, not copying and pasting from Wikipedia. For those of you who've been asking me for DBQ practice and who want to get writing, I highly suggest you take this opportunity to write a full DBQ essay, okay? If you are choosing this option, we're also going to do something hopefully very helpful where you can submit your paper for peer edit. We'll be doing this again next week where it won't be optional for you to write an essay and it won't be optional for you to submit for peer edit. However, this week it is. So if you choose that, there are directions here. But before we go into that, I want to just give you some more details. Obviously, you can use open notes, right? So you can have your notes out for the prompt. I would suggest being somewhere quiet. I would suggest having the rubric open. I would suggest maybe having your strategy sheet open, all that good stuff. Okay, so if you choose option 1, I would recommend having those things out for you. If you choose to do option 1 and peer edit, the directions are here. So we're going to be using a website called PeerGrade to peer edit your DBQ essays. If you're choosing to write the full essay, then you need to go to this website, peergrade.io/join, and use this class code here to join our class. There's only one assignment there for right now, so it's going to be this one, Week 14 Distance Learning DBQ number 1. In order to keep things organized, please submit your essay to PeerGrade by Sunday, May 3rd at 11:59 p.m., okay? Once submissions have closed, you will have actually not 1 week. I've changed it to just 3 days. Sorry, 3 days to peer edit a classmate's essay. Well, I guess that's really only 2 days. Sorry. 2 days to peer edit a classmate's essay. You will not be able to see your feedback until you complete your peers' feedback, okay? So the deadline for submitting your essay to be peer edited is Sunday, May 3rd. And then once you do that, the deadline for editing somebody else's essay is May 5th, okay? And your feedback will not be released until you do it. So make sure you do it. This is kind of a trial run. I've not used peer grade before. I don't even know how many of you are going to choose to write the full essay and get feedback. However, if you're going to write the full essay, I highly suggest you get the feedback, okay? We're still a team, we're still a community, we're still here to help each other just the same as we were when we were doing these in class. So use each other as a resource. I cannot grade 130 DBQs 3 times because that's what we're going to potentially do is 3 DBQs. So use each other to help get feedback because this is, you guys need to practice, and reading other people's essays is really beneficial for you as well. And also this is anonymous. So this is a great opportunity to just put your work out there, get some feedback, and grow, right? Okay. Option 2, if you choose not to write a full DBQ essay, you have the option to write an outline instead. So if you choose to do the outline, I have linked a template here for you. Basically what you are required to do in the template, or in the outline, sorry, is to do the historical context, the thesis statement, so basically your intro, and then body paragraph topic sentences, and then the documents that you're going to use in each paragraph. So basically grouping your documents. Optional parts of the outline would be hipping for 2 documents, and outside evidence and where it would fit, aka which body paragraph. So if you look at the DBQ outline that I've prepared for you, it's just historical context, thesis statement, body paragraph 1, topic sentence, and the supporting documents. So which documents would you use in this body paragraph? And then optional, there's a possible hip, and then outside evidence. These both need to fit, right, in this body paragraph. And then I've repeated just this same thing again. And then I made another box for a possible 3rd body paragraph. If you remember from last week, I'm not recommending that you write 3 body paragraphs. I think it might be too much. But in case you have the time or you want to do that, I left the box there for you, okay? So that is if you choose to do the outline instead of the full essay. Whichever option you choose, make sure you're using your rubric and strategy sheet. They're posted in last week's module, as well as any notes you'd like. Remember, the AP exam is open note. I would consider this week a warm-up, like I said before. So if you want to take it easy and you have a lot of work to do and you don't want the pressure of the 45-minute time constraint and all that good stuff, just do the outline. If you are really ready to jump in and get some writing practice going, do the full essay and then do the peer edit too. I think that's the best option, obviously, but I'm leaving it up to you. Just a quick note. I will be checking these for completion, but I'm not grading these by points. Like, I'm not going to go in and assign you a grade by points. So you will not benefit in any way from taking the easy way out on this. Try to make this, if you're going to, especially if you're going to do the full essay, try to make this as close to the AP experience, AP exam experience as possible. This is for you. This is to help prepare you for the exam. So do the right thing. Don't copy and paste Wikipedia paragraphs in. Don't go crazy, relying on, don't take 3 days to do it, all the good stuff. Try to help yourself, right? Help yourself grow, help yourself feel more confident. The more you do this, the more you're going to feel confident when it comes time to sit down for that 45 minutes on the AP exam. So try not to take the easy road out, because I know it's possible. I know we're at home. We can kind of do things however we want. So I'm putting it on you to choose what you think is best for yourself, and hopefully that's not letting yourself off too easy, right? Okay, I'm not going to scroll down because that's the DBQ prompt, but if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the DBQ prompt and the 5 documents for the DBQ. If you're writing a full essay, all you need to do is start a new Google Doc and write your essay. There's a submission link on Canvas for you to submit either your DBQ outline or your DBQ essay when you are done. And then if you want to upload it onto PeerGrade, you just need to click here. You can upload the link And yeah, after Sunday, then you can peer edit and then you'll get your feedback. All right, so that's all I've got for you for this week. Hopefully this will help you. Hopefully we're starting to feel more confident, more prepared after this. Good luck. You've got this. I will see you either in office hours, at a conference on Friday, or next week. All right, have a good one.